Welcome back to Love for Retro, where we celebrate all things old, including ourselves. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to restore the NES Classic Edition, also known as the NES Mini, to factory settings, so its original state. This is useful if you have software issues like crashes, data corruption or game freezes. Maybe also for hardware issues when a controller is no longer recognized or there is no sound anymore. And if you've received or bought the NES Classic Edition second-hand, resetting it will remove any saved games, game progress or settings to start completely fresh. Just connect the NES via HDMI to your display and supply power to it. After a few moments, the game selection menu will appear. Select Options through the gear icon at the top and press the A button. Now under System Reset, select the button Reset to Factory Settings at the bottom of the screen. If you simply press the A button, nothing appears to happen. This is an added form of security. The trick here is to deliberately press and hold down the A button for a few seconds until the button has completely changed its color. Then a final warning appears, and by selecting Reset and pressing A once again, your NES is now being restarted and reset to factory defaults, just like it came out of the box years ago. You are only left to select the language that you want. Then click the OK button and you are ready to go. That's it, hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!